Company Showcase, Paltech by Reginald Allouche, CEO and co-founder at Paltech.
Good morning. I'm going to present Paltech. I am a physician. I'm specialized in diabetes. I'm also a biomedical engineer, and I co-founded the company with Charles Malbert, who is a veterinary physician and head of research in RAE. So what I'm going to show you is, and I have a video for that, I will show you a real revolution for treating diabetes and obesity. We have found a way to have 5 years remission of type 2 diabetes without any treatment and losing 20% of your weight. So the company was founded by a US and French BA, and I'm here for, of course, go to the first in human. Oh, the sound? We don't have the sound. So.
Skyrocketing worldwide. Current
Thank you.
treatments such as GLP-1 agonists are effective but poorly tolerated. More than half of patients stop taking them after just a few months. Paltech provides lasting remission with proven safety. When a meal is ingested, digestion releases glucose into the intestine. The glucose stimulates intestinal L cells, which secrete a hormone called GLP-1 into the portal bloodstream. It is detected by GLP-1 receptors, expressed by the vagus nerve that surrounds the portal vein. Activation of these receptors provides the brain with the information it needs to control metabolism after a meal. In a healthy person, the GLP-1 receptors expressed by the vagus nerve and located around the portal vein detect the arrival of GLP-1. They transmit this signal to the brain, which triggers the release of insulin by the pancreas and the end of the meal. In obese or diabetic individuals, the number of these GLP-1 receptors is greatly reduced. Although GLP-1 still circulates in the portal vein, the brain is no longer informed of its arrival. Meals are no longer stopped in time, and insulin is released with a significant delay. Paltech's innovative implant delivers a breakthrough therapy, a minimalist device that steadily releases an active module to restore GLP-1 receptors exactly where the body needs them. Implantation is simple, quick, and minimally invasive. In just 10 minutes using laparoscopy, the Paltech implant is positioned above the portal vein. By gradually and precisely releasing its active molecule, the implant restores GLP-1 receptors around the portal vein. The brain-pancreas dialogue is reactivated. Blood sugar control is regained, leading to sustained and lasting weight loss. From that moment, every meal is sensed and processed as it should be, restoring natural and balanced blood sugar regulation. Paltech has proven results, restoring normal blood sugar levels, lasting weight loss with preserved muscle protection for the heart and kidneys, all with no side effects. With remission lasting up to 5 years, Paltech helps patients reclaim their comfort. Paltech.
Okay, so this is not a concept. We work now for more than 5 years. We have tested this on 50 Yucatan mini pigs. We have published all the results, and after 8 weeks, the mini pigs were cured of their type 2 diabetes and obesity. So it's we just, in fact, put the system back, system of regulation for the brain and the pancreas. So it's not genius, it's just reestablishing the nature. So now, what is the problem? We have 1.5 billion people suffering of obesity and type 2 diabetes. The cost, I guess, for United States are more than 400 billions of dollars. And the problem is, if you are diabetics or obese, the solution is GLP-1 receptor agonist. They are now the reference of the treatment, and you have bariatric surgery and bariatric surgery. And as you know, 30% of type 2 diabetes, people are discontinuing the treatment after 1 year, and 50% of obese people are discontinuing the treatment of GLP-1 receptor agonist after 1 year. So the problem is what to do for those people, and Paltech is done for those guys. So the remission, oh, excuse me. Okay, so where we are now, we have an implant. We have the supplier for the implant. It's NuSil. I don't know if you're familiar with this silicone company. We have a ProMed as CDMO. We have ProPharma to assist us to go to the FDA. But what is very important now is that the results are tremendous. We have 5 years remission, 20% weight loss, no sarcopenia, and especially we are fighting against insulin sensitivity, resistance, I'm sorry. So now we are seeking for $20 million. The first in 2 tranches. The first 10 is to do on the proof of concept and FDA, IND, and EMEA. And the second tranche is to have a clinical trial, first in human, clinical trial in Europe and the US. So if you like to contact me, I'm Reginald Allouche from Paltech, France, and Miami now.